You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than 35/3 equal or greater than 112/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 35/9. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than 35/3 equal or greater than 112/3.